Millions of people start their day by checking their horoscope. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry built on the stars. But what if I told you the stars have moved? From elite consulting to viral social media trends, astrology has never been bigger. Yet, beneath the symbols lies a massive mathematical glitch that ruins everything. The Zodiac system was created over 2,000 years ago. But because of a physical phenomenon most people ignore, your sign is almost certainly wrong. To understand why, we have to look at the physics, not the vibrations, but the actual mechanics of how our planet moves through space. Earth is not a perfect sphere. It's an oblate spheroid that bulges at the equator. And because of the sun and moon's gravity, Earth actually wobbles. Think of it like a giant spinning top. As it rotates, its axis slowly traces a large circle in the sky. This is called axial precession. One full circle takes about 26,000 years. It's slow, but it's enough to change our entire perspective of the heavens. This wasn't discovered recently. Over 2,000 years ago, the Greek astronomer Hipparchus noticed that the stars were systematically shifting. Later, Sir Isaac Newton proved the cause: the gravitational pull on our planet's equatorial bulge. It settled physics. So, if the physics are settled, why does astrology still use a map from the Bronze Age? This is where the scam, or the glitch, begins. Most Western astrology uses the tropical zodiac. It's fixed to our seasons. In this system, Aries always starts on the first day of spring. It doesn't matter where the stars actually are. The sign is anchored to the calendar. It's symbolic, not astronomical. But sidereal systems, like those used in Vedic astrology, look at where the sun is physically positioned against the stars. And the gap is huge. Since the zodiac was formalized, precession has shifted the stars by over 30 degrees. That's more than an entire sign. If you think you're an Aries born on March 21st, astronomically, the sun was actually in the constellation of Pisces. You've been reading the wrong chart. And it gets worse. Astrology tells us there are 12 signs because 12 is a perfect mathematical number. But the universe doesn't care about our math. Meet Ophiuchus, the serpent bearer. It's the 13th constellation on the ecliptic path. NASA has confirmed that the sun passes through it every year. The sun spends 18 days in Ophiuchus, yet astrology completely ignores it. Why? Because a 13-sign wheel isn't as easy to sell. Astrology forces the sky into 12 equal boxes, but in reality, some constellations are huge and some are tiny. It's a map that doesn't fit the terrain. So, we have a system that ignores the physical shift of the stars, ignores a 13th constellation, and ignores the actual size of the star clusters. Is it a harmless tradition or a multi-billion-dollar scam designed to tell people what they want to hear, regardless of the truth? Psychologists call it the Barnum effect, the tendency to accept vague, general personality descriptions as uniquely applicable to us. Believers argue that astrology isn't about physics, it's about symbolism, a language of the human psyche tied to the rhythm of the earth. In this view, the tropical zodiac is a tool for understanding our inner world, using the changing seasons as a mirror for our lives. But can a system be true if it's based on a map of the sky that no longer exists? Does the meaning survive the death of the data? This is where the debate gets heated. Science versus symbolism, fact versus feeling. Which side are you on? In 600 years, the spring equinox will move into Aquarius. The map will shift again. Will astrology shift with it? Or will it keep selling the same old glitch? The universe is vast, chaotic, and governed by laws that don't care about our birthdays. The real stars are light years away from where the horoscopes say they are. Perhaps the most terrifying thing isn't that the stars have moved, but that we've been looking at a broken map for 2,000 years. Do you believe the stars still have power over us, or is it time to take down the astrology algorithm? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. For more investigations into the glitches of our world, subscribe to Crazy World Forever. I'll see you in the next deep dive.